Hey, Darren from Wyman Landscapes. I'm going to quick show you some of the work that we did yesterday. We're in central Wisconsin here on a 45-acre parcel, put in a bunch of water holes. And yesterday when we were doing this, it was mid-60s. Overnight it dropped down to 15 degrees and we got just some powder of snow. You can kind of see it here through the woods. But sure enough, I'm out here looking. We just put these in yesterday. There's no water in them yet, and the deer are already following this travel corridor that was put in here early in the off season. You can see there's a hinge cut trail corridor that goes down to a food plot over that hill, probably another 100 yards. But this is a natural trail that comes down the hill from bedding, and we've got this water hole that we put in. And again, there's no water in it yet. We just put these in yesterday, and the deer are already curious about this, following their travel corridor. And you know, the whole purpose of these is obviously to give yourself a opportunity for hunting. And you can see there in the background, they've got a box blind here for both crossbow and gun. And so we're just looking to have these deer that are already using this travel corridor, give them a reason to stop, grab a drink on their way to or from food. So that's part of what we're doing this time of year. It is the time of year to be doing this kind of work. You're not going to bother the deer. Heck, you can see where we came in with our E42 Bobcat, and the deer were following it right away the next morning. So it's go time for habitat work.